yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name, say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new unit from KLAIYI or KLAIYI Hair. This is from their Wear&Go line. The lace already comes pre-cut, you guys. You're only dealing with a closure wig, so just this part right here. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on mine. I washed her, conditioned her, and let her air dry just a bit. This is the Jerry Curly texture, 150% density. I will have all the information, all the details down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. You don't have an adjustable strap in the back. You just have the combs. You have 3 combs, 2 on each side and 1 in the back, with this silicone, I guess, gripper right around the perimeter. Basically, they want you to just be able to pop this on and go. I've never been able to do that. I'm gonna see if we can actually accomplish that today. This being a true glueless, beginner-friendly wig. Let's go ahead with laying this unit down and then we'll get into styling these curls. I'm gonna do it really basic. I'm gonna keep it short and simple. Let's see if we can get this nice and natural and glueless. So let's go. So got my hair kind of slicked back. You can choose to leave a little bit of your edges out if you want to. I think it looks more natural, just in case the wind blows back or whatever the case may be. You still have your hairline, just a little bit of it out. So next, you guys, I'm just going to grab my foundation stick. I'm gonna put a little bit on my normal foundation brush and apply it to this lace so that it all blends together. All right, for the moment of truth, let's go ahead and pop this on. I am going to use a little bit of my foam, my Design Essentials, just to kind of lay the hair down, the baby hair in the front, get it all just kind of flushed as much as possible to my scalp, and yeah, make this completely glueless. Alright, you guys, so I just put my little elastic band on here for added security. Since this is a glueless unit, I'm just going to quickly fluff up the curls, add a little bit of my wrap lotion just to bring out the curls in the front. So I've got the hair exactly how I want it. You don't have to do really anything to this hair because the curls are already beautiful. Make sure if you're using some type of wrap lotion, try your best if you have like heat available, so a blow dryer, to set it always with some heat. That's basically one of the biggest, like these two go hand in hand. A little bit of heat and your wrap lotion will get you the best possible outcome. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of heat on the top of my head to get this nice and flat. All right, you guys, so I went on ahead and did my makeup, really kept it very simple for this look. Now let's go ahead and just undo this elastic strap. My roots are still a little damp, which is okay, but I'm gonna fluff it up a little bit, just using my blow dryer. I wanted you guys to get the full effect on how beautiful these curls are, how fluffy and lightweight this hair is as well when it was all dry. So it's basically all dry, you guys. So now let's undo this and do some final touches. Take this off. Y'all, I am not a big glueless person. I find them to just not be super secure on my head, but also not even that. They typically don't really fit right. And this is probably my first time, like for real, on camera at least. No, just period. Doing it just completely glueless. I will wear them glueless if I like have a cap on and I'm running to the store or something like that, then I won't even bother with anything. But you guys, look how good that looks. I am just going to I just want to fluff up the root right here a bit. All right, y'all, so for final touches, I'm gonna do 3 things. I'm gonna hit my part with a little bit of powder. I am also gonna hit the lace. It's like one spot right in the front right here with a dark brown. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't have black, so I'm just gonna use a dark brown powder. And then I'm going to take a little bit of bronzer and hit it right on my hairline too, since I'm wearing bronzer and I want it all to blend. So I am pretty much done with this look, you guys. I am just gonna add a little bit of gloss on my lips using my little Fenty oil. Kept my makeup pretty light, kind of dewy a little bit. I don't know, just very simple, especially for summertime. And also I'm wearing my individual like lash clusters. I did a video on these like a while ago. Well, actually maybe last month because I haven't been wearing them that long. But they are sweat proof. You don't have to deal with any glue on your lashes or for your hair. Completely a very easy summertime look. So this is the final look, you guys. I did it. I completely and successfully installed a glueless wig. No hairspray was used, no glue, no nothing. The wig is actually pretty secure, y'all. The combs on the side really do the trick for me. If you don't use the combs on the side and you're going glueless, I suggest you do. I don't think it's enough to just, you know, apply whatever foam or whatever you're gonna use right in the front and expect it to hold your hair down. Make sure you have those combs in on the side. You're good to go. You shake your head. It's not gonna fall off at all. I would suggest doing cartwheels and flips and ride on a roller coaster or anything like that, but it's not gonna fall off of your head, just your regular day-to-day running errands, all that kind of stuff. So you are good there. The curls are nice and fluffy, y'all. This is the hair fully dry now. So if you are a beginner, you've never worn a wig before, look at me, y'all. I've never done a unit glueless before and it was the easiest thing. Honestly, I might be trying to wear my wigs like this from now on, even though it really doesn't take long for me to, you know, pop on a wig because I'm just so used to using my hairspray as an adhesive. That was just one extra step I realized maybe now I don't really have to do, especially when it comes to like a good closure unit, you guys. So yeah, y'all, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this tutorial for you guys. It's the first time for everything, especially here on my channel. Y'all know I'm always down to try something new and different, and here you go. This is definitely a must in your stash this summer. I will put all the information about this unit from KLAIYI Hair down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. If you haven't subscribed already or give me a thumbs up, make sure you do so as well. Can't believe this tutorial is so quick, easy, and fast. I'm so used to doing so much more, but sometimes we just gotta keep it simple. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.